All right, guys, so we're going to do a quick little tour while I've got a moment. Jamil is going to be doing a YouTube video for Bigger Pockets with an agent here. So let me give you guys a tour of this house so you guys know, if you are part of the NFT project, what house you partly own with me. Here we are, Arlington, Texas. It's a big ass house, 3-car garage, brick built, obviously tons of stonework. It is a custom home. This house just sold across the street for over $1 million. You can see Bobby right here. And you can see this house is a brand new build, just got wrapped up. That house is sick. So a lot of activity in this neighborhood. It is anything but a distressed neighborhood. Wood floors, and you've got dining room right when you walk in. Now, of course, we're gonna go through and we're gonna clean things up. You know, you've got a little bit of drywall cracks all over the house. You've got issues throughout that we're gonna point out. We're gonna clean these things up. We're gonna make sure that the house is in really good working condition, super sharp. We're gonna turn this into either a short-term rental or potentially a traveling nurse or a traveling pilot type of exit strategy. So custom woodwork everywhere in the house. You've got shades. The shades in this house are probably a good $20,000 to $30,000. And we're gonna keep some of the furniture, probably the safe, some other things like that. We go upstairs. Jamil's doing a little tour with an agent. Hey.
Hi, everybody. Meet Sebastian.
Hi, Sebastian.
An investor-friendly realtor in Dallas and wants to sell you houses.
That's me.
So Sebastian, this is going on my YouTube channel. This house we bought on seller finance, and we're taking the ownership of this house and giving it away to 1,000 people through an NFT project.
That is awesome.
And nobody had to buy anything into that NFT project, which is sick. We're just doing some cool shit.
Pace has made a house into an NFT, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Way at it again.
Yeah, that's Sebastian, guys. We'll put his information down below in the description on the YouTube channel. Gorgeous home, super tall ceilings right when you walk in. We got some drywall choices that are a little bit dated. Obviously, this house was built a little bit ago, so they thought this was a cool design feature. It's obviously not. I would say we're gonna put new carpet up here. This is a playroom for the kids, right? So I don't know that we're gonna do much here. I think we leave this the way it is. It's got a great bar area. So for a short-term rental, this is an amazing house because people can come up here and entertain. Maybe we even put a pool table up there. Not quite sure. Half bath right here in this area. Here's a very Texan thing right here, guys. If you've never been to Texas, this is what Texas is all about right here. They put all their shit in their attic. Their air conditioning units, their hot water heaters, everything goes in the attic. It's very funny. Again, here we go. This is the one thing I was missing, is that this house also has a movie theater. Cool little spot for people to hang out and enjoy their time here. So if you are coming into Texas, this is what's great. You're right by the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. You're right by Six Flags. And so there's gonna be a lot of families coming in here and staying here for a couple of weeks at a time. So I think that this house is gonna cash flow pretty well. Full bath here. Needs a little bit of updating and touches. New light bulbs. Bedroom up here that still needs to be taken out and refurnished. Same thing here. Bedroom needs to be refurnished. Maybe we'll leave some of that kind of stuff for the Airbnb. That's actually really cool artwork. I like that. And that's the thing, is like, if you're doing a short-term rental, you want to make sure you have some sort of theme, some sort of activities, things that will justify people spending a little bit more money at your house, because obviously they come, they stay in an expensive Airbnb. They want to have things that they can do besides go out and spend money on other things that they have to do, if that makes sense. So downstairs, we've got the main living area. Kitchen is wrapped around here. We'll get into that in just a second. And fireplace, cool TV spot. And then the primary bedroom, really, really large. And I really wish there was a patio out off the back of the house, but there isn't, so I have to deal with that. We've got the primary bath, really large, great looking bathroom, and a massive closet here with a massive shower here. Somebody must have laid a bomb in here. All right, so leaving this as is, I would imagine we'll repaint the house, refurnish it, get a new thermostat. And then on this side, we've got a kitchen. It's kind of an older style kitchen. It's good cabinets. There's no hardware, so we'll probably add some hardware. Cabinets are dated from the sense that they have no hardware, yes, but also the kitchen is kind of blocked off from the rest of the house. So this does need to be updated a little bit. Now over on this side, we've got full bathroom and a full bedroom. Good sized guest bedroom right here. Now there's a little outside patio area, which is cool, fireplace. This used to be outside, but the problem with Dallas is that everything here in Dallas is very humid. So this outside little area, they decided to enclose so you can still enjoy the outside without actually having to be outside. So going outside, this is probably where the most of the work is gonna have to be done, is you've got a big ass backyard that needs to be cleaned up, redone, regraded, probably put some sidewalk going around the side and just making sure this whole entire house gets revamped, refreshed, new gate, all sorts of things. There's a lot of money that's going to go into this project to make sure it is tip top. I'm excited about it. This was a situation that nobody else could solve, and I'll give you guys parts of the call that I had with Tracy at the very beginning of our relationship, is that nobody could help her, and she borrowed money from friends and family to keep herself going. And so those friends and family put a lien against the property, obviously to secure their loan to her. And if she lost the house to foreclosure, then her friends and family would have lost their money as well. And so we're paying that off. We're paying off her IRS loans. We're paying off her foreclosure arrears. We're paying off a judgment that came from the state. I mean, we are really, truly helping out this seller. And so what's cool about this project is that there's profitability here, but there's also a very cool story that we want to tell the public, is that what this business is really all about is helping people and putting ourselves in a position as investors that we get paid based on how much we help. And this house is an amazing story. So 2006 Country Hill Court in Arlington, Texas is going to be a short-term rental that will cash flow and compound and grow the value of this NFT project over the next several years.